Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this Pokemon ball. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Now after slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here I make my slip stitch. See. Okay. Now because of joining this first and last stitch, we get a very small tiny bit gap, a circle in between. Okay, it is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now each time we will yarn over. Okay, and don't take this free end yarn into your stitches. See, we will yarn over, insert a needle from that tiny hole and grab the yarn, pull through and complete our double crochet stitch. Okay, so in similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, yarn over, insert the needle in a tiny hole, grab the yarn, pull through, and then again yarn over, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Okay, so in similar fashion we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. And if any of you want to refer tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given there in description. You can refer the video. It is as usual with written notes, slow demonstration is given. Okay, see here I have completed my 20 double crochet stitches. Now I will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to make 3 rounds, and pattern for all 3 rounds is going to be same. What we are going to do, we are following a pattern of 1 1 1 1, 4 times 1 1 1 and then 2. So it is like in 4 continuous stitches we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, for 4 continuous stitches we are going to make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and in every 5th stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches in every 5th stitch. Rest all the stitches we are going to make one single crochet stitch in one single stitch. Okay, and when we reach the last stitch, so we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So just remember the pattern for 3 rounds. It is 1 1 1 1, 4 continuous stitches. We are going to make one single crochet stitch in each stitch, and every 5th stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch, and we are going to repeat this pattern all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Please ignore background noise, my kids are playing. Okay, now once we are done with these 3 rounds, okay, here we are done with the 3 rounds. After 3 rounds we will make 2 rounds. Okay, in those 2 round pattern is very simple. One single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we are done with the white semicircle. Now once we are done with the white one, we are going to make a red one also, exactly same, following same pattern, no difference, all exactly same, and we will join both of them. Okay, now we will join white and red semicircle or half circles with the black round. So to join that black thread, just pull your yarn from one of the stitch and make a chain crochet stitch. Now see, in every stitch the thread of the stitch which is coming inside the circle, so we will put a needle from one white and one from red, and pull a yarn from both of them and make a single crochet stitch. Exactly this way. So each time insert your needle from inner threads of each stitch, one from white, one from red, and grab the yarn, pull through from both of them at once, and then make a single crochet stitch. So in this pattern we are going to join all our stitches. Only leave some ending 7-8 stitches so that you can fill in fillers. Fill lot of fillers. Unless you fill lot of fillers, it won't take a shape of the ball. So please fill lot of fillers before you close it completely. Okay, see here, this is how it looks after closing. I've left some stitches. Now once I'm done with filling those fillers, I'll stitch them all. Now last step is like join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There we complete a ball. There we are done with the slip stitch and a ball is complete. Now we just need to make that white button with black border. Okay, for that we will follow same pattern. Make a slip stitch, then we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. We get a small tiny circle in between, small tiny bit gap in between. Okay, now here also we are going to make stitches each time passing a needle from inside that circle, but we will make half double crochet stitch. We don't need that big circle, so we are not going to use double crochet stitch. We will use half double crochet stitch. Okay, if any of you want to refer tutorial video for half double crochet stitch, how to make it, link is given in description. You can refer the video. So we will make 10 half double crochet stitches each time passing a needle from inside that circle, and after that we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Please don't take that small free end yarn into your stitches, because once we are done with a circle, we will pull that yarn and the middle gap is being reduced completely, like it is a packed circle. Okay, so here I am done almost with 10 half double crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch to complete a circle, and we are done with the white color. Then see, I'm joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here I make the slip stitch. Yeah, now like we are done with this white circle, only we need one more loop, because now we need a black border, so we will add black yarn. So to add a new yarn, you need 2 loops on the needle. Okay, and you can cut both threads now, white threads. Okay, now see, pull your yarn from both the loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Now we will, using back thread of every stitch, we are going to make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, in each single stitch, using only back thread of the stitch, we are going to make 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch all around. Okay, and then when we come to the last stitch, we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and our button is done. Then I'll just complete this first. I'll show you. Now see, here we join our slip stitch and our button is complete. Now we will stitch this whole button on a ball, and a Pokemon ball is all ready. See, this is how a crochet Pokemon ball looks like. So those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. Please, if you like the video, like, comment and share. And those who have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Okay, and like next video I'll be making about a Pikachu also. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.